Hello to the group. I wanted to do a quick acceleration 2012 Nissan Murano video update because that video I posted a year and a half ago has just blown up. It's been great to hear all the thank yous, all the notes and the comments of how this has helped a lot of people. This has solved a lot of problems out there with the acceleration of you give the Murano gas and it dies and then it comes back. And it happens to us maybe 2 or 3 times a trip, and it drove us crazy. So we had the transmission replaced because of the default codes that were showing up when I had it looked at by 2 mechanics, a Nissan mechanic and then a regular mechanic who had his own, obviously, repair shop, not a Nissan dealer. And he replaced the transmission and it still did it. And it drove us crazy, and I found out it was the airbox. So here are some tips to try to diagnose this and figure out if you don't know it's the airbox. Think about this. Has your mileage gone down? Right now, we're pulling about 18.5 mpg, 18.5 miles per gallon in the city, and maybe 21 or 22 on the highway. But during that time of the 2.5 years that it was doing that acceleration thing, our mileage dropped to about 16 miles to gallon. So think about that. That's the main one. That is the main one. And let me flip this around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, here we go. Here is the airbox. And this is what is, can be found on Amazon for like $29. And I'll put a link in the description along with my other video. But this has a few clamps. It comes off. It's a 5-minute fix. You can do it with just basically a screwdriver. But the big thing that I've noticed is, hold on. The big thing is the mileage. If your mileage has gone down for no reason and you're using premium gas, we just use premium gas in this. This is a 2012 Murano. But if you are using premium gas and it's still like at 16, 15, 14, then it's an issue. So let that kind of be your guide if you're trying to diagnose it and you don't want to take it all apart. The other thing is that this doesn't give up an error code. The error code it gives out, from what I understand, even though some of the comments have said I wasn't correct, the error code it gives up is a generic replace the transmission error code, because these transmissions are not really that great. Well, I shouldn't say that. They fail at about, I don't know, 120,000 miles. And that's been the generic diagnosis. Oh, we need a new transmission because they fail. Well, we replaced it at 185,000 miles. 183,000 miles, and now we have 203, and this thing runs like a top. It is all kinds of power, great stuff. I use synthetic motor oil in the engine. I've used it since it was new, synthetic oil. I do oil changes at 5,000 miles, like clockwork, and everything has been great. So I hope this has been of help. And I hope this has been of help, and I hope that, you know, it solves the problem, because there's no reason to spend $7,500 on a new transmission when it's a $30 part. Okay, cheers.